Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bitcoin rose during the Asian morning trade on Tuesday, peaking at around $63,200 before retreating to $62,670, up by 2% in the last 24 hours. BTC may be again trying to rally above $64,000, of which there have been numerous instances this month, all of which have been sold off. This behavior, along with transaction numbers plummeting, points towards a consolidation in the market and the possibility of Bitcoin being range-bound for the time being. Ether, the second largest crypto by market cap, was changing hands at around $2,946, up by over 1% in the similar time frame. The altcoins have also turned green after the weekend stagnation, with Dawn and SHIB leading the pack. Bitcoin's price action since it attained new all-time highs in March has been characterized by lower lows and lower highs as a shift towards selling has taken hold in the market, thanks to long and short-term holders alike being in profit. Japanese investment and consulting firm Metaplanet has adopted Bitcoin as a reserve asset to hedge against the country's debt burden and yen volatility. Metaplanet has acquired 117.7 BTC since April, imitating the strategy of MicroStrategy in the US. The ratio between Japan's gross debt and GDP currently exceeds 254%, the highest in the advanced world according to data tracked by the IMF. For comparison, the US debt to GDP ratio has exceeded 123%. The yen has depreciated by 50% against the US dollar since early 2021. As the yen continues to weaken, Bitcoin offers a non-sovereign store of value that has and may continue to appreciate against traditional fiat currencies, Metaplanet said. The global crypto market cap is $2.3 trillion, a 1.79% increase over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $73.32 billion, which makes a 99.15% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $6.52 billion, 8.89% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $67.46 billion, which is 92.02% of total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 53.96%, an increase of 0.45% over the day. Crypto asset investment products have seen inflows totaling $130 million over 5 weeks, marking the first time in 5 weeks. The majority of these inflows were in the USA, with Grayscale experiencing its lowest weekly outflow since Jan. The low interaction of US regulators with issuers' applications for a spot Ethereum ETF has increased speculation that an ETF approval is not imminent, resulting in total outflows reaching $14 million last week. ETP volumes continue to decline, with ETP investors currently participating less in the crypto ecosystem, representing 22% of total volume on global trusted exchanges compared to 31% last month. The majority of inflows in the first week following Bitcoin ETF launches were co-capital. Canada and Germany continue to see outflows of $20 million and $15 million respectively, with total outflows since the beginning of the year reaching $660 million. Bitcoin has been leading the crypto market rally since September 2023, with its dominance increasing from 40% in 2022 to over 50% by May 2024. This surge is largely due to the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs in the US, driving increased trading volume on platforms like Bybit. Bitcoin's popularity is fueling interest in Layer 2 solutions, which aim to enhance Bitcoin's scalability and functionality for faster and cheaper transactions. These networks connected through bridges or other solutions operate separately. The rise of Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions gained traction in early 2024, coinciding with Bitcoin's outperformance compared to Ethereum. BTC L2.info reports 74 Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions with significant growth in the past 2 quarters. Rollups are seen as more advanced and likely to dominate Bitcoin Layer 2 in the long term. However, advancements in technologies like ZK rollups provide opportunities for growth, and Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions are expanding Bitcoin's utility beyond its status as digital gold, and the community's willingness to embrace change and new technologies will shape its future. The Bitcoin Dunes protocol, a DeFi platform, has seen a significant drop in activity since May 10. Despite initially being the top transaction platform in the Bitcoin ecosystem, crypto analytics firm Dune reports that activities on the protocol have reached their lowest level since May 10, possibly due to fewer new mints and a decrease in new wallets interacting with protocol since its April debut. Despite thousands of daily transactions, Dunes has struggled to reach another $1 million milestone in daily transaction fees. Despite this, the protocol continues to be a standout, with various NFT collections surpassing market caps exceeding $100 million. Some of these collections, such as a Dog Go to the Moon, Pups.World.Peace, and Epic.Epic, have market caps of $2.44 billion, $171.60 million, and $37.78 million, respectively. Blockchain infra firm Blockdaemon is set to expand its presence in the United Arab Emirates with a new office and entity in Abu Dhabi. The expansion plans were approved by the local registration authority of Abu Dhabi Global Market and will include operating and providing Web3 infra solutions locally in the UAE. This will include making node and validator infrastructure solutions available in the region, along with self-hosted MPC wallet technology. The move is seen as a significant stride for Blockdaemon, which has been expanding its presence in the UAE region. The Chief of Market Development of ADGM, Arvind Ramamurthy, echoed this sentiment, stating that the company is aiming to create an environment conducive to the growth and success of Web3 companies. Blockdaemon focuses on developing institutional-grade infrastructure for blockchain protocols, crypto-native and traditional finance institutions. The move follows Blockdaemon's gradual efforts to expand its presence in specific regions, including the Asia-Pacific region and the EMEA region. In September 2021, Blockdaemon secured the status of unicorn with a $155 million raise, increasing its total valuation to around $1.255 billion. The Bangko Central NG Philippines has approved a pilot program for a Philippine peso-backed stablecoin, marking a significant shift in the country's digital currencies landscape. The pilot program, conducted within BSP's regulatory sandbox, will involve collaboration between the central bank and crypto wallet provider Coins.ph. The primary objective is to assess the real-world performance of PHPC and its potential impact on the local fiat ecosystem. Coins.ph will maintain cash reserves equivalent to the circulating supply of PHPC, ensuring a stable one-to-one pegging of the digital currency to the Philippine peso. The transition from a sandbox to real-world usage is contingent on the results of testing phase and final evaluations by the central bank. The initiative builds upon previous efforts to introduce stablecoins pegged to the Philippine peso, such as the PHX launched by Union Bank in 2019. Japan's Metaplanet has announced a strategic shift towards adopting Bitcoin as a primary treasury reserve asset due to economic pressures in the country. The company's treasury has been under pressure due to the country's 261% government debt to GDP ratio and a 50% drop in the yen against US dollar over the past decade. Metaplanet aims to prioritize accumulating Bitcoin over retaining the yen to mitigate yen currency risks and capitalize on Bitcoin's continued monetization process as it entrenches itself globally. The firm has allocated $1.25 million towards acquiring Bitcoin in recent days. Bitcoin's price surged 3.14% in the past 24 hours, and its market cap surged 3.18% to $1.23 trillion. As the value of the yen weakens, BTC faces high turbulence, with speculations of a potential price rally imminent due to the halving. El Salvador, the first country to make Bitcoin a legal tender, has continued to accumulate the pioneer cryptocurrency. The country has a dedicated mempool space where anyone can check out its Bitcoin treasury holdings. In the past 7 days, El Salvador accumulated 7 BTC worth $429,072 in the past 30 days, acquired 30.01 BTC equivalent to approximately $1.84 million. Following recent accumulations, the nation's Bitcoin holdings rose to 5,747.76 BTC, equivalent to over $352.3 million. While the country's Bitcoin office portal serves as a hub for real-time information on transaction details on the Bitcoin blockchain, providing users with real-time information on miner rewards, average block fees, and transaction fees on the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin became legal tender in El Salvador on September 7, 2021, one day after purchasing 400 BTC worth about $20.9 million. Despite criticism, El Salvador upheld its Bitcoin decision and continued supporting the cryptocurrency. In November 2022, El Salvador's president announced the country would buy one Bitcoin daily until the crypto becomes unaffordable with fiat currencies. Hanuman AI, an Indian large language model, was launched by 3AI Holding and Sita Mahalakshmi Healthcare on Feb 21. The platform supports 12 Indian languages and 98 global languages, including text translation. The Hanuman is currently available for free, but plans to release a premium version with paid subscriptions in the future. The chatbot is designed for various sectors, including healthcare, governance, financial services, and education. It can also respond to users from a vast diversity in their native language. OpenAI shares its approach to building an ethical AI model integrating specialized LLMs with an integration synthesis matrix to deliver clear, adaptive insights and seamless complex data transformation into actionable intelligence. However, Hanuman is not multi-modal and does not have internet access, making it unsuitable for image input or generation. Google Chrome and Microsoft's Copilot AI chatbot will soon allow users to search and read web pages using AI. Notcoin is set to launch on the Telegram wallet app on May 16, offering convenience and versatility for users. Users can purchase and sell the crypto on the P2P market exchange, fork other cryptocurrencies, and send it to Telegram contacts. The Not token can also be used for payments within Wallet Pay. Users can claim Not tokens on the Notcoin app, but they will need to verify their identity to avoid fraud. Well, this collaboration benefits both Notcoin and the Wallet app, allowing Wallet to expand its digital asset offerings and leverage Telegram's user base. CoinSpeaker will cover any updates and announcements regarding the integration process. Notcoin is expected to make its crypto debut with a bang. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.